Let us make a super easy mug cake. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of biscuit powder. Then add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. Go ahead with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Time to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all the dry ingredients well. To start with the wet ingredients, add 1 tablespoon melted butter or ghee, followed by 1 tablespoon of cream or malai. Now add 1/4 cup of milk. Add 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence and start mixing. Add another 1/4 cup of milk and get the perfect consistency. You can add all the ingredients directly in a microwave safe container and microwave only for 2 minutes. Remove from the microwave and let it cool down. Just turn over and serve in a plate with toppings of your choice. This would suffice for one person. Enjoy your meal.